book doctor's here. There's our dog, Mo. Hello, Mo. So, as you can see, very excited about the new edition of our book. Because you got to get your book published. And now it looks very similar. Put it up again. Look how similar those books look. They look that. Now here's the difference. See, there's a one. That's the, and then the other one. It's that.
See, this one says completely updated. Includes ebooks, crowdfunding, social media, micro-publishing, and more.
And more. Say, that last thing's crucial because there's even more things than that in it. So it just came out. Well, I mean, we worked really hard on this, by the way. And there's just some amazing people we interviewed, like search engine optimization people who live in, like, I don't know, cyber clouds and just the most, what's the crowdsource thing guy who's in here? Kickstarter.
Yeah, all kinds of crazy stuff.
Nuts.
So over the next couple months,
yes,
we're going to be giving away lots of cool stuff, including free consultations, even a developmental edit of the first 100 pages of someone's book.
And more.
And more.
So
and more.
There's more as well.
But first, what we
Yeah.
want to do, what this newsletter is about celebrating the people who have used our book to get successfully published, which makes us feel super proud.
It really is
and
a fantastic
exciting
moment when that happens.
And these people span all categories
Everybody.
of the bookstore. So we hope you'll read more than the people featured in the newsletter and go on to our website to see
Memoirs
many more.
and kids' books and fruit tree books and books about the National Football League. And I mean, every kind of demographic kind of genre you can imagine have you now used our book to get published. We are I'm proud.
It's very good feel. I'm very proud. I'm very proud.
Yeah, so we will be coming, we'll be doing some touring in the fall, bringing Pitchapaloozas and conferences, and next spring, if you have a group that you'd like to, and we'll be doing a free webinar.
We'll give you the details on that.
Yes, a writing group that you'd like us to participate with and want to bring us somewhere, just email us, go to the website, we're there. We're here for you.
Thanks, everybody.
Hope you had a great
Talk
summer.
to you soon. Bye.
Okay, bye.